morning, beautiful people. It's my birthday. So I was up until the early hours of this morning. Then I went back to sleep, and now I'm up. And the plan for today is for you to spend the day with me. Actually, I have nothing planned. Like, it's not as if there's anything happening, but I just want to carry you along on how I spend my day today as the birthday girl. I would love to start with my journal. I started journaling last year, and it just helps me put my thoughts, like pen down my thoughts, and makes my head clearer. That is one of the beautiful things about journaling for me. Let's get this party started. Oh yeah. Let's get this party started. I'll dance for you. Dance for me if you're feeling funky. Oh. Guys, I got these gifts from my friends. My baby girls, they spoiled me. Actually, I already opened them, but let me show you. So the first gift isn't she lovely? I really like it. Like, my friends, they know me well. The gifts I've received so far are things that I actually like, and my favorite colors also. And then I got two base sets. I really like the shorts, and then this free top. Receiving gifts makes me so happy. Like, God, I'm getting this goodie bag as an expression of love to me. I love it. As I said earlier, I don't really have much planned for the day. I don't know why I'm already feeling homely. This is another birthday gift I got, and it's from my sister. She's a baker, and she made this cute little cake for me. Can you see? Happy birthday, Merit. I love it. I love the design. I love the decor. I love how cute it is. Okay, so now I need to fix breakfast for myself because birthday girl is hungry. I think I'll just go for custard. I just had my bath, so I'm about to do my morning routine, even though it's already afternoon. And the nerves decided today is no light day. I'm still hopeful that they bring the light because I still have some things I want to do, and I need light. I need it to be light because I need my gadgets charged. So this is my face towel. Let me show you my morning routine. I start off with this Cosrx snail mucin. Just few pumps here and there. Then I rub it in. I let that dry, and then the next thing, okay, my face wash is a Face Fact hydrating face wash. I have a dry skin, so I use hydrating products a lot. And after my mucin essence, I apply my Face Fact snail mucin gel cream. This is what it looks like. Then I use that next. Then I rub it in also. Any products I apply to my face, they're extended to my neck and chest. Then my ears also. That's very important. Next is my sunscreen. This sunscreen is my holy grail. If you have a dry skin, this sunscreen is your best bet. I'll not be using little because I plan to do my makeup and I'm not going out. So that's why I'm just using little. So I just blend that well into my skin and then let it dry. Then I moisturize my lips with this lip balm. The body lotion I'm using currently, the Dr. Teal's body lotion. Moisturize the body. Body tea. Body oil. Guys, I just woke up from a nap. I was feeling so sleepy. And I decided, okay, let me just take a short nap. And yeah, it rained earlier. Is it my birthday if it doesn't rain? You know, June bonds, typical of us. So I woke up and before I slept, I received this package. It says it's for my friend. So I wanted to unbox it. Guys, my friends are spoiling me, I swear. I've always known that gifts makes me happy, but receiving gifts always remind me of how happy receiving gifts makes me. Ta-da! It's a Coach bag. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you, my love. The next thing on the agenda now is to get into my glam. I plan to style my hair, do my makeup, and just chill. I've had this wig for a while, so I just styled it and I'm just going to quickly do a soft glam after I fix my hair. So I just finished doing my makeup. It was just a quick glam. Next up, I'm going to take out these curls. I hope they give me what I want. Then next, I dress up for the day. I'm all dressed and I'm just at home chilling. So this is my first meal. Actually, this is not my first meal. I had custard earlier, right? But this is my first proper meal of the day. When I say I am starving, I was busy glamming up and all of that. But now it's time to eat. I have jollof rice, I have fried rice, I have plantain, and I have fish. This very, very big fish. Visit me for my birthday. Guys, look how cute this is. My baby came to visit me for my birthday and she brought me gifts. Did somebody say just eat? For the fact that the color is pink, it's making me feel like a baby girl that I am. Because I'm a baby girl. When they say bag of goodies, this is what they are talking about. It's so girly. Okay. I'm putting this on right away because this is such a cute beanie. It's such a cute beanie. See, this woman, she knows what I like. I love it. And then I get a star plate also. Thank you, my love. Thank you. You are indulging my jeopardy. Local woman. Local woman. Sorry, oh, that came out. Basatai. I should look at. I should spray now. I should spray. birthday to you.
Hip hip hip.
Hooray! Hip hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip hip!
Hooray!
I want to go to Nigeria from watching live and doing live.
Hi guys, it's Kadi and Amy Day here. We came to say hi to the birthday girl, although my boss is currently asleep, so I'll be the one doing the talking. We just want to wish Mary a very, very fulfilled happy birthday. We hope she enjoyed our day. Many more great years to celebrate on earth. We love you. Mwah.
Now the day is over. So guys, it is already the next day. I'm super grateful. Like from the depth of my heart, I am so grateful for the wishes, the gifts, the prayers. I'm super grateful. The plan is to do my night routine while doing this appreciation, but I did that earlier and didn't know I didn't press record. So I already did my night routine thinking it was recording. So first I used my niacinamide syrup. This was after washing my face with my face wash, face pack hydrating cleanser. Then I use this niacinamide syrup.